Went ahead, pulled the cam out, pulled all the valves out and all the valve springs and all that stuff. Pretty easy method. I was just using a socket or hollow socket set with a magnet through them, and then I put a steel strap with a hole drilled in it, just the same size as the magnet, so we can have a little bit of leverage. And we push down on the valve spring while having the valves stuck in place. I was using this rag underneath the head to kind of keep the valve in place, and all of this stuff moves down. The valve keepers and the valves stay in the same spot, and then the magnet grabs them out, and life is good. I think tomorrow I'm going to go ahead, clean up the head. I put it away over there, get it prepped for the new stuff, and we can start throwing some new stuff in this weekend. So it should be pretty cool, and hopefully we will have the head in next week along with the turbo and some other parts. So it should be pretty cool. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next one.